At long last, we have the Ruckmans moved back into their home just in time for Christmas. It was quite a bit of trauma for them to be living out of their home. And as you can see, compared to the photos that we started with in the beginning, we have a very nice looking home after Luhcs Enterprises has come in to do renovations and repairs on the kind of things that they needed done. We have new baseboards, new paint job, new return grill, new ventilation grills, new backsplash, nicely painted kitchen, nice new installed baseboards, nicely painted ceiling, nice trim job on the ceiling paint job, gray and white, white on the ceiling, gray on the walls, new switch and outlet covers. Here we have the hallway into the bedrooms, the nice little doggies barking in the other room. Painted closet doors, nicely cleaned fans. We had the cleaning crew come in and do a whole house cleaning upon completion. We have subway tile on the walls, white tile with gray grout. We have the old caulking removed from the bottom of the toilet and the bottom of the bathtub, newly caulked, nicely done. New shut-off valve, new outlet on the wall, nicely done ceilings, new bathroom fan, new light fixture, nice mirror, new cabinet, faucet and shower. Family has already made use of the place and are happy with their newly decorated shower surround. New baseboards throughout. New grill cover. Newly painted bedroom. New baseboards. Newly painted closet doors. Nice Christmas tree all moved in, just in time for the family to have Christmas at home. I'm happy to have been here. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Steve.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Have a good holiday.